Hello friends, today we are discuss about remaining part of the first topic angle and its measurement. So the example is express the following angles in degree, minutes and second. Okay, so the first example is 183.7 degree. So this example converts degree, minutes and second. Okay, so in this example 183.7 degree equals to 183 degree plus 0.7 degree. Next step, 183 degree plus 0.7 into 60 0.7 multiplied by 60 converts degree converted to minute. Then next calculation, 183 degree as it is 0.7 multiplied by 60. Okay, 420 minutes and then 0.7 42.0 minutes. Okay, the next step, 183 degree, this converts minute, 42 minutes plus 0.0 minutes. Okay, and next step, 183 degree 42 minutes plus 0.0 multiplied by 60 converts minutes converts by second. So the next step, 183 degree 42 minutes plus get 0 seconds. The final answer is 183 degree 42 minutes and 00 second. Okay, these examples convert into degree, minutes and second. So see here 183.7 and 183 as degree plus 0.7 converts separate plus 0.7 degree. 0.7 degree converts minutes multiplied by 60. Then get calculation, 420, then point is 1 here, 42.0. Then next step, 42 minutes, 183 degree as it is, 42 minutes as it is plus 0.0 minutes. This converts second multiplied by 60. So the next step, 0 into 0 60. The next step, 183 degree plus 42 minutes plus 0 seconds. So last one is, so these are the type. So similar type, first example you solve example number third. Okay, any doubt ask me. So the example number second, this example number second, 1/5 radian convert करायचे डिग्री मध्ये फर्स्ट 1/5 multiplied by 180/pi convert degree. 1 radian is equals to 180/pi degree. Okay, so the next step, one get calculation, 36/pi degree. Next step, 36/pi value 3.40 degree. So the calculation, 36 divided by 3/14. So the calculation is 11/46 degree. 11.46 degree. So these calculation. These 11.46 degree convert into degree, minutes and second. Similar this way, you solve this example and get the final answer. Okay. So these are the three examples you solve and complete the question number 4. Okay. The next question is find the angle between hours and minute hand in a clock at first example at 10 past 11. 10 past 11 means 11.10. Okay. So these type of the diagram. So these are the hours and these are the minutes hand. Okay. So total complete rotation means 360 degree. Okay. The angle between any two consecutive numbers, any two consecutive number of clock is 360 degree divided by 12. 12 here are going to 3 up to 12. 360 degree divided by 12 equals to 30 degree. The minute hand is at 2. Minute hand is at 2 and hours hand is at 11. Angle 30 degree into 3, okay, equals to 90 degree. But 10 past 11, 10 past 11, that is at 11.10. So the hour hand move 10 minutes towards 12. Okay. So in 60 minutes, power hand covers 60 minutes, hours hand cover 30 degree. But in 10 minutes, so therefore 10 into 30 divided by 60 degree. The calculation is okay. So the next calculation, okay, to 5 degree. So therefore the angle between hour hand and minute hand, angle between hour hand and minute hand, total degree is okay 90 degree. 90 degree minus 5 degree equals to 85 degree. These are the final answers. So let's see here. 10 past 11. 10 past 11. These are the angles. So the two consecutive numbers angle in this diagram. Okay. This angle is 30 degree. Total is 90 degree. Okay. So the angle between any two consecutive numbers 360 by 12 equals to 30 degree. The minutes hand is at 2, hour hand is at 11. So angle 30 into 3. 3 slots 1, 2 and 3. 30 into 3 90 degree. But 10 past 11 that is at 11:10. The hour hand 10 into 30 divided by 60 degree, calculation 5 degree. So the angle between hours and minutes and the rotate the lever 90 degree minus 5 degree equals to 85 degree. These are the final answers. Okay. So the next example is quarter to 6. Next example, quarter to 6. Quarter to 6. Okay. So these are the similar diagram. Okay, so here quarter to 6 means quarter to 6. Okay, so in this diagram so in this example, quarter to 6 means quarter to 6 time 5:45. Okay, so 5:45 means quarter to 6. So to denote this type. Okay, these are the hours and these are the minute hands. Okay, so these points are the common. The angle between any two consecutive numbers uploading 360 divided by 12 equal 30 degree. The minute hand is at 9 and hours hand is at 5. Angle is total slot 1, 2, 3, 4 and one slot means 30 degree. 30 degree into 4 equals to 120 degree. But at quarter to 6, okay, the hour ends 6. The hours end move 45, move 45 minutes towards 6. 45 minutes towards 6. In 60 minutes, our hands cover 30 degree. But in 45 minutes, 45 into 30 upon 60 degree. Then calculation. Okay, so the calculation is 22 degree and 33 minutes. Okay, so the calculation is the angle between hours and minute and is total degree is 120 degree minus 82 degree 33 minutes. So the 30 degree only. 22, 30 and the next final answer is 97 degree and 30 minutes. Okay, these are the final answers. So this type of the answer quarter to 6. So the question number 4 complete, and question number 14. The remaining examples: 20 past 7, 35 past 1, 2.20 and 10.10. These examples you complete, and thank you. Okay.